Hey, how are you? So, you must be Tyler Jaquan Phillips? Nah, man. I go by TJ. Yeah, Tyler Jaquan Phillips, but I go by TJ. Hey, listen, man. So I was wondering if I can audition for all the parts. I mean, I guess there is no rule for that. Yeah, man. Yeah, if you want to audition for all four, sure. So why don't you go ahead and whenever you're ready, go ahead and give me a poem. I got you. All right. I call this piece together. Roses are red. Right? Violets are blue. But with me and you together, we make purple. Oh, oh, you're done. Yeah, bro, that was ill, right? Listen, you can go ahead and snap, you can clap. Listen, bro, I don't judge at all. I, that's so poets have about like 5 minutes. Um, you know what? You know what? We'll come back to that, right? So there's singing. So are you able to perform a song right now? See this right here? This right here is a classic, right? I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want your high love and emotion endlessly. I can't get over you. You left your mark on me. I want your high love and emotion endlessly. Hey, man. Wow. You, sir, have a voice. Um, you know what? Yeah, go. Why don't you perform a rap? Yo, so this ain't finished yet, but yeah. I'm gonna have it finished by the show, right? Listen, yeah, check me out. Listen, so when I drop these rhymes, you'll have no doubt. I'm that good, you just do it for clout. I'm the head honcho, ain't no Big Mac with cheese. Baby, it's just me. Ooh, that's raw, right? That's raw, dog. I killed that. I ate that. Yeah, no diddy though. No diddy. Um, that that was something. I don't regret this. So, comedy, comedians. That's the last thing to audition for. So, uh, give me give me the best you got. Yeah. I got jokes, right? So listen. Remember during COVID? No. Ah, man, no. No. I'm okay on pandemic jokes. Listen, so you given me a lot to work with, right? You giving me a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and review this, right? I'm gonna uh, 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 bring my team in and let them know how I feel about it, and we will get back to you. Have a good day. All right. Next time, we're not doing no open auditions.